Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the Copycat Starbucks egg white bites, so let's get started with the video. First, in a blender, add 2 cups of egg whites, half a cup of cottage cheese, half a cup of shredded Monterey Jack cheese, 2 tablespoons of Feta cheese, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Then blend all the ingredients together for 30 to 40 seconds until smooth. If needed, pour the mixture into a measuring cup so it's easier to pour into the muffin pan. Next, prepare half a cup of diced roasted red peppers, a 1/4 cup of sliced green onions, and 1 cup of chopped spinach. Next, pour the egg mixture into a greased muffin pan, filling each cup about 3/4 full. Next, evenly add the chopped spinach, green onions, and roasted red bell peppers into each cup. Then mix everything in each cup together until combined. Finally, add some shredded Monterey Jack cheese on top. Now place the egg white bites in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. When you place the egg white bites in the oven, place a pan filled halfway with hot water directly underneath the muffin pan. Once the egg white bites have finished baking in the oven, let them rest for around 5 minutes, then remove them from the muffin pan. And this is the finished result! These egg white bites are absolutely incredible, they taste so good. The recipe is super easy, it's great for meal prep. You can freeze the egg bites and then microwave them for breakfast or have them as a snack. I will definitely be making these again, and I totally recommend you make them too. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!